Yes, sir. There we go. Alright. This is my very first review on my YouTube channel and wherever else I post this. And I call myself the GoHard Ghetto Reviewer. That's me. Alright. But the first product that I'm reviewing is this Diabia cordless stick vacuum cleaner. That's what it say. I think that say Diabia. Oh, that's backwards. Anyway, yeah, that's what it say, Diabia. I'm gonna open this thing up with my handy dandy keys that I get in the house with. Chain. Let's get it. Yeah. It should be open. Oh my, look at here. Look what we got here. Clip. Clink, clink. Lock down. Anyway, check this out here. Look what we got here. We got all sorts of pieces. What is this? All right. I don't even want to break. I'm about to break the thing before I get it out. What? I'm guessing that's the stick that you vacuum with. All right, I showed y'all how it was packed in. Let me lay this thing down. Yes, what is this? Alright, we got a little something here. I don't know what it is, but we got a little something here. Whatever this piece, it look like the piece you scrub the carpet with or something. I don't even know about vacuums. Look at this. We got another look. I'm gonna just show y'all the piece. I ain't even gonna act like I know what these things is. Look at this. There you go. Boom. Got everything you gonna need. Everything. You go to charger for the cordless thing. Charge it on up. I know what that is now. I don't know nothing else. I know what that charger talking about. Got your old instruction booklet. Let's go. This a filter. I know that's a filter. Go filter fish. Yeah. That's like some kind of thing you put together. I don't know what that's gonna be. I don't have to read them directions. Okay, check it out. Yeah, now I know that's the vacuum right there. If I don't know nothing else. Yes, sir. A motorized brush. You know what? I bet that instruction book got to name all these pieces. Oh yeah, this your little handle right here. All day. Oh, that thing already charged up, ready to go too. Look at it. Give me that green light special all through the review. Yeah, here we go. Oh, that's your brush right there. Is this a replacement? Might be a little. Oh, here go that engine. Here go that engine. No, I'm saying you for that. You ain't even gonna get the engine yet. You gotta wait. Now I know this for cleaning out crevices or stuff. But there go another piece to it. Go one more piece. And let me get the last piece right here. What this is? A good old handy dandy. Yeah. What this is? Your air filter? What is it? The tank to hold the stuff with? It gotta be something. Gotta be something. It looking poor. It looking poor. That's about the biggest, most shiniest piece. Look at that. But hey, boom, there you go. That all the pieces. Let me check. You know they behind stuff. They behind stuff. I don't know what to do. Yeah, that everything. We done. But there we go. My first review, unboxing. You know what I'm saying? Thanking my Bobby. I just want to thank all the small people that helped me get here to this unboxing. And there you go.